got here? We got some old pedestrian signals, and look what else they have here. They've got that around, and this is an APS 1690. Another one of the junky ones that you ever see. There's another one down there. I'll do this one after that one goes off countdown mode. Just simply understand your feelings. This right here is kind of flat. Alright, I'll go to the other one now. I have to do a long walk all the way down there. Look at that. There's a lot of lights there, and there's a lot of lights there, there's a lot of lights there, and there's a lot of lights down there too. This one's got I don't know what this brand right here is though. It's not Campbell. Definitely not Campbell. See, look at this. No Campbell sound. This right here looks like Campbell, but this right here is definitely not. Probably like Econolite or something. Just programming it doesn't look like anything would change about it. Wish it did have sound, or I wouldn't worry too much about that right there. I think it's called a In Decliner Control Corporation. That's what the thing up there is, I believe. Okay. There goes the walk sign. It's gonna go off. Yep. Well, maybe after the arrows go off. Alright. I'm not gonna waste any more time down here. That one over there just went off again. I think that one might be broken. Anyways, take a look at that one last time. Yeah, that's old and trashy. And that is it. There's the other one. Stinky. That one just turned on its 28-second walk countdown sequence. That one's got a middle one down here. See, look. APS 1690. That's it.